Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is spring cleaning. In this question, chef is performing a thorough cleaning of every room in his house. So chef's house has X small rooms and Y large rooms, and each small room requires 30 minutes to clean, and each large room requires 60 minutes to clean. We need to tell that how many minutes chef needs to clean his entire house. So in the input will be given two space separated integers in a single line representing x and y, the number of small and the number of large rooms in chef's house. We need to print a single integer, the number of minutes chef requires to clean his complete house. In the constants, we are given that x and y will lie in between 1 and 10. So let us see the first sample input. So we are given that there are 4 small rooms and 3 large rooms. So the total required minutes is 4 times 30, that is 120, plus 3 times 60, that is 180. So total 300 minutes. In the second input, we are given 2 and 10. So chef will need 2 into 30, that is 60 minutes, plus 60 into 10, that is 600 minutes. And in total, 60 plus 600, that is 660 minutes. Similarly, in the third input, he has 7 small rooms. So 7 into 30, that is 210, plus 3 into 60, that is 180 minutes. So in total, 390 minutes. So to solve this question, all we need to do is take in the input of x and y and print 30 times x plus 60 times y, right? So now let us first see the solution in Python. So we begin by taking in the input of x and y using this statement. So what are we doing here? We're first of all taking in the input of the whole line as a string and we split it with respect to spaces. So using this much, we get a list of strings and we convert that list of strings into a list of integers using this map function. So this will return as an iterator, which would be a list of integers, and we'll map them inside x and y, which would be integers. So in the end, all we need to do is print 30 times x plus 60 times y, and that's pretty much the whole solution. Now let us see the solution in C++. So we begin by taking in the input of x and y using the cin command, and we'll print 30 times x plus 60 times y in this cout, and that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant for both the solutions because we're just doing 5 6 operations at max. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.